Assalamualaikum, hi there guys, welcome back to another encryption video. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can encrypt a RAID with base64 method. It's basically like reverse base64 method. Previously we used base64 method, but it's still undetected but not at the peak point, you can say that. So I did some obfuscation to the PowerShell script and a little bit tricky trick to reverse the string, and we will use it in the PowerShell, which will make it even more undetected. So in this video I'll be showing you that method, and of course we'll be using these two online tools for that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing, you will have your file. For this I'll be using async RAID. You can use cursor RAID or NJ, lime RAID, whatever you want. And one other thing, some user are from the previous video, they are saying it's not working, like they are not getting any connection. So it's probably because of the startup option. In previous video I said do not select the startup option while you're making your file in the builder section. So again I'll be using async RAID. You can use any RAID, but make sure you don't select startup option in building time. It will work for you guys. Okay, now so I'll be using async, this one. I tested it on cursor RAID, lime RAID, revenge RAID, NJ RAID. It's working fine, so it's tested already, but I will be using for async RAID. Okay, let's say the port 6117. Okay, now we have to make our file. So builder, now here I'll be testing it on local server. You can use your own host. I'm not getting in touch with the detail as it's just educational purpose video showing you the encryption method and not basically the entire RAID tool stuff thing, how you can make it and what's it for. So I'm skipping that part. I'm using localhost. Okay, installation, just we need to build the file as okay, let me show you the file. As you can see over here, I have skipped this installation option. Secondly, if there is any startup option, you also have to skip that. So you have to skip installation and startup option while you are making your connection, your server. Okay, so build it, and where would we, okay, client, okay, whatever. Okay, so now the next, so here's the thing, you have to convert this executable file to base64 string. You can use any tool. Likewise, I said in the previous video I'll be using online stuff. I already have provided the links in description, so you can use this tool as well. So just select your file, this one, and encode file to base64. okay, there we go. So this is the base64 string. Now the next thing is we have to make it reverse. Okay, so for that I'll be using this this side, copy this and paste it over here and make it reverse. There we go, we got our reverse string. Okay, now the next thing is you have to download this file. The link will be in description. Okay, just extract here, and all you need is to copy this string and replace it here. Let me, okay, this, replace it with this reverse base string here. Okay, there we go, that's all you need to do. And now save the file. By the way, you can rename this startup file to any name you want. Let's say chrome.vbs, I guess, it's up to you, and save the file. Okay, now this is our undetected payload. Let me on this and let's see whether it's bypassing it or not. Okay, startup file. There we go. As you can see, startup file name is created already. Now just wait for the connection. By the way, you can, there we go, it's there. By the way, you can check your connection via this command, whether it's sending some data or not. As you can see, this PID process already established connection to this socket. So sometimes users don't get connection if it's sending the data but you're not listening, you're not getting it. So it might be like your listening problem or port forwarding problem. There might be a lot of problems out there, but the point is the method is all working. As you can see over here, it's bypassed Windows Defender. I'm not sure about the latest update. Let's just check the updates. It's already updated, so far it's working with the latest update. I request all of you don't check it online to avoid any sampling out there. So in this way the method will be more undetected for long term. Anyway, that was all about the method. All you need is to convert your file into base64, then just reverse the string and use it in this reverse payload .vbs file. Okay, the link will be in description for all the tool which I used, basically like the two online site and one for this payload file. If it's working for you, make sure to leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. With that all being said, I'm logging out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video with more tricks and tutorials. Take care and Allah Hafiz.